Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into the device. Now, starting off, you will need this SIM eject tool, as I have one right here, and what you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located on the top side of the device, the same place where the keys are, just at the bottom of it. And from here you can push it in. As you can see, the tray will pop out. And when you take it out, you have two different sides to it. So on the front side, you have space for the SD card, which you, I believe, place like this, right? Oh, like this. Okay. Okay. And then the SIM card would go like this. So from here, simply take it and insert it back into the device. There we go. And we should see the pin for the SIM card. At least that's for me, because I have a pin on my SIM card. So SIM card is obviously working, and let's look for, there we go, SD is working as well. And that is how we would insert SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.